Most home sellers believe that they have to pour thousands of dollars into upgrades before anyone will purchase their property. But that's not always true. Selling a house in poor condition might sound impossible, but it's more common than you think. After years in your home, the paint may be peeling, the carpet is worn, and the list of repairs are never ending. You're ready to downsize, but the idea of fixing everything, cleaning every corner, and opening your doors to strangers feels overwhelming. Here's where most people get stuck. They think there's only one way to sell a home. Fix it, clean it, stage it, list it. The good news, that is not correct. Let's explore your options so you can move on with less stress and more confidence. Option number 1, fix it and sell it retail or on the MLS. If you've got the time and energy, you can update the home and you'll likely sell it for much more. Most homeowners want a move-in ready home, and the homes that are the shiniest and priced the best sell quickly. But fixing your home up to sell for top dollar requires upfront costs, time, energy, contractor delays, and patience, and coordination. Not everyone has the time or money or the patience. Option number 2, sell as is. You can skip the work and sell it as is, even with the issues. You would sell your home with a realtor and list it on the MLS so you can expose it to the maximum number of buyers. No repairs, no cleaning, sometimes not even removing all of your stuff. But you might ask, how much do you lose selling a house as is? This is not a simple answer. It really depends on what condition your house is in and what repairs need to be made. The time saved and the stress avoided many times is worth selling as is. And sometimes selling as is the only option for your situation. It also depends on what's happening in the King County real estate market at the time. If we're in an up market with lots of buyers, it may not cost you very much. But if we're in a down market with not many buyers, your cost may be more. If your house has major damage, it needs a roof, it has water damage, it has foundation issues. These are repairs that the everyday buyer doesn't usually want to tackle, and the likely buyer would be an investor. Now, investors like to buy at a low price so they can fix it up and make a profit. Your house will likely sell for less selling to an investor, but you have to run the numbers and figure out your costs to see if it's really worth it in the end. In addition, these types of repairs would require a buyer to either pay with cash or get a rehab or construction loan. The house likely would not pass a typical FHA or conventional loan appraisal. This will limit your buyer pool. If your home has mostly cosmetic repairs or just needs some upgrades, you shouldn't see too big of a difference in the price between market value minus your repairs. You will have to factor in the repairs to the market price, and you will have to give a discount for the buyer's effort. If it is just cosmetic needs, the buyer should be able to get a conventional or FHA loan. Number 3, sell it off market as is. This is the simplest option. No listing, no open houses, as is, no cleanup, no repairs, no inspection contingency. Yes, you can sell a house as is with no inspection contingency. I will help you choose the path that works best for you. We will look at your individual situation and go over the pros and cons of each option. In order to determine the best option, I will provide you with a market analysis. If you decide to sell as is, we will want to have a thorough inspection done. This is where you will want to be very transparent about the condition so that we can price your home accordingly. Then we will look at all repairs needed and cost estimates so we can set a reasonable price. I will connect you with buyers who buy homes exactly like yours. No judgment, no pressure. We price it right and we sell it quickly. I have sold multiple homes like this. It is usually a win-win for everybody. Selling as is off market is not for everyone. You typically don't get top dollar and it's typically sold to an investor, but there are some situations that warrant it. And for many people, the time and stress saved is well worth it. Before you decide which option and which way to sell your house, you should know the costs involved to sell a house. Watch my next video, how to calculate net proceeds from a house sale, so you know exactly what to expect.